Alright guys, welcome back, SoundHound. Today it is Monday, finally that GTC day for NVDA's event. Stock is 7% down so far, 8.8 and 20, 820-ish or so. That's where it's trading, holding the support. And here's what I'm watching. So let's jump into the option activity. And before we start, my views are not long-term views. I don't care about their fundamentals at all. Ultra short-term, I'm watching 750 as a support. I'm watching 950 as a resistance. I'm watching $10 and 1050 as a resistance. And today, 860 would have been better for the bulls to stay above and push higher, but it couldn't. And as soon as it slipped, rejected, I saw somebody come in. Basically, I followed somebody, but it didn't get a full fill. So someone spent. These are very cheap ones, $6 puts. Somebody bought 2,000 contracts at 5 cents, and I got filled 10 contracts. That's fine. It's 20, $30. No big position, tiny position, but there are a lot of calls being traded. So usually with these stocks, we saw it already when it ran all the way to $10. When there are a lot of call activity, market makers, but again, I'll have to take a look at it once market closes, and in the morning you'll see if the open interest changes. So open interest for, let's say for this week's $8 call was 12,000 before market open, and so far we still have one more hour until market close. 11,500 traded. I don't know if these people are closing out or if they are adding to it, but just by looking at the ones right above 850, you can clearly say the volume is a lot higher. $9 call again this week, volume a lot higher. So it could be some people adding into these strikes, but again, cannot say much until I look at the open interest tomorrow. But there are puts also being traded, but not as significant. There are like 6,000, 7,000, 4,000, 3,000, all the way from $8 to $6 puts. That's the volume. But total today, 103,000 calls, 43,000 puts. That's not like a significant volume, I would say. And in general, if you look at the price action as well, like if we just switch to a daily chart, you can see volume declining on this one as well. So what is it? Let's just, again, we still have one more hour, but still last 3 days, that's not a good sign for momentum. It can just stall here, okay? Or it can drift lower, or it can just chop. Today so far, 70 something million. Maybe it will hit 80, maybe it will hit 100, but you can see clear downtrend. You want to see when stocks uptrending, you want to see something like this every day as it tries to push higher. More participants, more people come in, more people show interest and push higher. But we're coming down. We shall see what announcements they have. But those are the resistance levels, support levels I'm watching. So if I switch to hourly chart, yeah, very pivotal right here, right now for this name, 760, and right below $7. If it doesn't hold $7, I'm gonna switch to let's switch to moving averages. So if you take a look at the stock right now hovering around its 5-day SMA, which is perfect indicator for ultra short term like trading the momentum. If it stays above 5-day SMA, still momentum to the upside. But if it goes below, I'm going to be watching this 612, which is 20-day SMA. So that's the update for SoundHound. We shall see, and thanks for watching.